Elijah.
And I'm Isaiah.
And we're going to be attempting to make the smallest and fastest model rocket ever. So, see you at the build. Okay, I'm going to cut the wood the right shape and size. Right. Okay, now we just need to repeat that 3 or 4 times. No, we're not done. We have to put in the engine.
And the parachute.
Okay, I'm going to install the parachute now. So, get this rubber band here and this piece of paper. So, put it right here on it. Put some hot glue in it. A lot of hot glue. And just fold it over in half. You open up the cap, put hot glue right on here. Put like a 1/2 inch down inside of it. Two. Hold it until set. Then get the engine out. Just pop that piece.
Could use like a screwdriver, that'd be good.
There we go. Now I tie this to here. Yeah, it just makes me laugh.
Tie a rubber band, tie a rubber band, tie a rubber band.
Cut off the excess.
Exodus.
The parachute, and then we will put the parachute and put it right through that loop. We got some model rocket recovery wadding. Put 1 here, 2, 3, 4. And now we just feed this schnuff in. If this schnuff means stuff, okay? So, I don't know why I always say that, but, so, then I get this parachute, and I fold it up like this, and I get the string and I wrap it up. Pop it in, and put the top on. How does this work?
When you pop it on, it looks like nothing ever happened. Oh, the toilet paper
It's not toilet paper.
The toilet paper's coming out.
It's not toilet paper.
That's funny. Oh,
Come on. Snuff. Snuffy. Okay, now we're going to install the launch lug. I just cut a piece of a straw here. So I'm going to put a little bit of hot glue here. Make sure it's very straight right here. Ow.
touching you?
Yes, touching me.
It's good you're not like, ah!
Yeah, at least I'm not.
You pour a bunch on you, it would be like it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like we're done now.
No, we just gotta install the engine mount and then paint it. So I think we should paint it before we install the engine because you don't want to paint the engine. So I better go paint it. So see ya. Okay, I painted it. Very nice, shiny gray color. So it looks like it's made of metal. And now we're gonna install the engine. So I put a little bit of tape around it to make it a tight fit. Pop it into the little hole right there. I forgot to tell you actually, but I'm actually using a D12.3 engine, which is this is the highest engine that you can get that aren't booster engines. So we're gonna boost this thing just to the limits. We're gonna make it go so high that it's gonna be like the highest one ever flown. So okay, now we're gonna install the igniter. So just get the igniter here, pop it right into the little hole of the engine, bend it down, get a little plug that comes with the engines, pop it in. And there we go. Now let's go launch it. But it's a bit too powerful for it. Too much force, too much differential thrust. I think I'm gonna go for the next step down. I'll be right back. I'm gonna go get some C motors. Now I'm gonna mount the engine, smaller mount. So, going around the outside of this, putting it in here, putting it down. Here we go, we got the engine mount done. Now we'll just put the engine in. So just slide in there. Now we got the engine mount done. Now we got to mount it into the rocket. Okay, now we just need to mount the engine into the rocket, the engine mount in. So some hot glue, put it all the way around. Quickly put it in. Hold it there until it's set. Fairly hot. There we go. Now, all I gotta do is put the igniters in, put this parachute back in, put some more model rocket recovery wadding, and then we can relaunch it. Right? Put some more model rocket recovery wadding. 1, 2. 2. So get the smells like rocket motor. So now I just gotta get this out. And now we're going to attach the igniters. Put the igniter into here. Push it all the way down to the black part. Bend it down. The plug. There we go. Now we're ready for the relaunch, so see you at the launch.
That's okay, I think.
Well, it worked perfectly. Just in the beginning, it got a little bit of twisty. Then it kind of straightened out in the air. I think I know the reasoning for that because I accidentally put the engine a different angle, which made it act like an airplane. So as soon as it spun around, it went up, then it across like an airplane. Then as it fell, the parachute ejection popped. And I do not know if it came out the parachute, and it fell in someone else's property. We looked as hard as we could to find it. We could never find it. So, see you at the next one.